In this video, you will learn 5 common weight loss myths and the facts that will get you straight to your weight loss goals. Nutrition and weight loss can be a very confusing topic. There is so much information out there, and most of it is flawed, misinterpreted, or flat out false. Most are following nutrition trends that are unhealthy and sometimes even harmful. Hit the like button if you feel you want to separate nutrition fact from myth. So what should you believe, or what dietary advice should you follow? With so many myths out there, people often wonder what they are reading out there is fact or myth. Let's dispel the myths and get to some facts. So let's get started by looking at the 5 top myths around nutrition and weight loss. Now let's look at myth number 1. You need to skip meals or starve yourself in order to lose weight. This couldn't be farther from the truth, and here's why. When you skip meals, you are restricting the energy sources to the body and the brain. When this happens, a primitive mechanism kicks into place where the body senses a physiological threat and then begins to shift your metabolism to burn less because it's getting less. Think about it like this. When you don't feed your body feels it's starving, even though it isn't. As a result, it starts to hoard calories, not knowing when the next source of energy will be coming in. So, skipping meals or severely restricting food intake can promote weight gain rather than weight loss. Now, let's move on to the second myth on nutrition and weight loss. All calories are created equally. Well, this is definitely a myth because all calories are certainly not created equally. What's important to note is the source of your calories. Calorically dense foods like cookies and cakes are digested differently than nutrient-dense foods. For example, if you eat 100 calories worth of cookies, blood sugars will quickly spike and then crash after a short period of time. A crash in blood sugars will make you crave more sugar in order to get that quick energy pick-me-up, which can ultimately lead to weight gain. On the other hand, if you have 100 calories of a nutritionally dense food like a banana, which contains vitamins, minerals, and fiber, the fiber in the banana will help keep you fuller longer and will not spike your sugars like the cookies, keeping sugar cravings and weight gain at bay. Now moving on to our third myth on nutrition and weight loss, and a topic that is constantly on social media, print, and the internet as the best way to lose weight. The question? Well, will carbs make me fat? Or will avoiding carbs help me lose weight? The fact of the matter is that not one food, nutrient, or food group alone can cause weight gain. So the answer is no. In general, weight will result when eating calories in excess of what the body needs. Although there are other factors affecting weight other than caloric intake. In that case, if you eat too many carbs, fat, or protein, it may all result in weight gain. So it's not carbs alone that cause weight gain, but too many calories coming from any type of macronutrient. So carbs alone are definitely not the culprit. Now moving on to my fourth myth, and a question that I get asked often. You shouldn't eat anything late or after 7 p.m. Now this is definitely myth. Now, who made up that rule and where is the science to back it? While late night snacking can lead to weight gain, it's not the time on the clock that affects your weight, but what and why you are eating. Most people reach for food late at night for reasons other than hunger. Be mindful of what you eat, more so than when you eat. Now, moving on to my fifth and final myth. Certain foods such as grapefruit, cayenne pepper, or vinegar help burn fat. Well, the fact is, no foods help you burn fat, lose weight quickly, or increase your metabolism enough to affect your waistline. Beware of fad diets that focus on a single food, since they are typically restrictive and lack the nutrients the body needs. These foods are typically not suitable, and any changes in weight that might occur is a result of calorie restriction. and the weight will quickly come back when you stop. So, instead of relying on myths, make sure you've got the facts. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Make sure you keep an eye out for gimmicks or marketing language that is trying to sell you a dream rather than real results. Now, to learn more about weight loss facts and myths, read the full blog on my website. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for great content like this. Do it. You'll be happy you did.